Hey everyone! Today Alice will show you her city, London. She will take you to some famous places here. While watching, you will learn useful words and phrases. These are words people use every day when they talk. This video will help you practice your English listening and speaking skills. At the end, tell us in the comments which city Alice should visit next. Let's start the journey in London with Alice.
Today is a big day. I wake up early in the morning, feeling excited. Emma is already waiting for me, so I need to be quick. I jump out of bed and start getting ready. First, I brush my teeth quickly, then wash my face to feel fresh. I choose my favorite jacket and put it on. I slip into my comfortable shoes. Next, I go to the kitchen to eat breakfast. I don't have much time, so I grab something simple and quick. I make a warm cup of tea. It helps me feel awake. My heart beats faster. I'm looking forward to today. I check everything once more: keys, phone, bag. Now, I'm ready to meet Emma. Let's go. I walk quickly to the train station. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I see Emma standing near the entrance. She smiles and waves at me. I wave back and feel happy to see her. "Hi, Emma," I say. "Hi, Alice. Are you ready for our trip?" she asks. "Yes, I'm very excited," I reply. We talk about the places we will visit today. London Eye, Tower Bridge, and Buckingham Palace. It's going to be fun. Together, we walk toward the train platform. We find our seats on the train. I look out the window and see the city passing by. Emma and I talk about the places we will visit today. "I want to see the London Eye first," Emma says. "I'm excited to walk on Tower Bridge," I reply. We share some snacks and laugh together. The train moves smoothly along the tracks. The sun shines bright outside. I feel happy to be with my best friend. Soon, we will arrive at our first stop. The train slows down as we reach the city center. I can see the tall, round shape of the London Eye in the distance. It looks big and beautiful against the blue sky. Emma and I get off the train and walk toward the river. The sound of the bustling city fills the air. People are walking, talking, and taking pictures everywhere. As we get closer, the London Eye looks even more impressive. Its glass capsules shine in the sunlight. We join the line to buy our tickets. The line moves slowly, but I don't mind. I watch the River Thames flowing gently beside us. Emma and I take selfies and laugh while we wait. Finally, it's our turn to step inside a capsule. The door closes, and the capsule starts to move slowly upwards. From high above, I see the whole city spread out like a map. The famous Tower Bridge looks small from far away. I point to Buckingham Palace in the distance. Emma takes photos, trying to capture every moment. The city feels peaceful and busy at the same time. We enjoy the view quietly for a few minutes. As the capsule comes down, I feel happy and excited. Today is going to be a great day with Emma. After leaving the London Eye, Emma and I walk along the River Thames. The water sparkles in the sunlight and boats slowly pass by. Street performers play music, and the sound makes the walk even more lively. In the distance, I see the two tall towers of Tower Bridge. They look like something from a storybook. As we get closer, the bridge becomes bigger and more beautiful. Its blue and white colors stand out against the sky. We stop to take photos with the bridge behind us. Emma smiles and says, "This is even more amazing than I imagined." I nod, feeling the same. We walk across the bridge, hearing the soft hum of cars driving by. Below, the river flows steadily, carrying small boats and ferries. We pause in the middle to watch a big ship pass underneath. The bridge slowly opens to let it through. It's such a cool sight. I take out my phone and record a short video to remember the moment. Emma leans on the railing, enjoying the breeze from the river. We stay there for a while, just taking in the view of London. It feels like time is moving a little slower here. After a while, we decide it's time for lunch. We start walking toward a small cafe by the river. The smell of fresh coffee and baked bread fills the air. A friendly waiter smiles and shows us to a table outside. From here, we can still see the Tower Bridge in the distance. The sun feels warm and a gentle breeze comes from the water. Emma and I look at the menu. There are sandwiches, soups, and classic fish and chips. "I think I'll try the fish and chips," Emma says. "That sounds perfect." "I'll have the same," I reply. While we wait for our food, we talk about the morning. Emma laughs about how excited I was on the London Eye. I remind her about the ship passing under the bridge. "These are moments I'll never forget," she says. Our food arrives, crispy golden fish, warm fries, and a slice of lemon on the side. We take our first bite, and it's delicious. The fish is soft inside, and the fries are perfectly salty. We enjoy our meal slowly, watching people walk along the riverside. Some take photos, some hold hands, and some are just enjoying the view. When we finish, we order tea. The warm drink feels comforting after the big meal. I take a deep breath and smile. "This is the perfect day," I tell Emma. She nods and says, "And it's not over yet." We leave the cafe and start walking toward St. James's Park. The path is lined with tall green trees. Birds are singing, and the soft crunch of gravel is under our feet. The park feels peaceful, even though we are in the middle of the city. As we walk, the palace slowly comes into view. Its grand gates shine in the sunlight. The gold details sparkle, and the British flag waves above the roof. Emma stops for a moment and says, "Wow, it's beautiful." I feel the same. It's even more impressive in real life. We get closer and see the royal guards in their red uniforms. Their tall black hats make them look very official. They stand so still, not moving at all. A group of tourists is watching and taking pictures. Emma and I take a photo together with the palace in the background. I imagine what it would be like to live inside such a big and historic place. The sun is warm on our faces, and the sound of the fountain nearby is relaxing. We stay for a while, just enjoying the view. Then, we decide it's time to head back. We walk slowly toward the train station. The sun is starting to set, and the sky turns soft pink. Emma looks at me and says, "So, what was your favorite place today?" I smile. For me, it was the London Eye. I loved seeing the whole city from above. She nods. That was amazing, but I think Tower Bridge was my favorite. It felt so magical. I laugh. Yeah, that was beautiful too. The train station comes into view. We walk inside and wait for our train. People rush past us, some carrying bags, some holding coffee. When the train arrives, we find our seats together. We talk quietly about where we might go next time. Maybe another city, maybe even another country. Soon, the train stops at my station. I stand up and smile at Emma. Thanks for the perfect day. She waves. See you soon, Alice. I walk home, feeling tired but happy. Today was full of memories I will always keep.
What a wonderful day Alice had with Emma in London. They visited the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and Buckingham Palace. They laughed, explored, and made beautiful memories together. Where should Alice go next on her journey? Tell us in the comments, and maybe your city will be her next adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.